Hello food lovers and aroma enthusiasts. Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by a symphony of scents. Fresh basil, earthy thyme, and floral lavender, a sensory delight that can elevate your cooking and transform your home into a fragrant haven. Growing your herb garden is easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Growing your own herbs is incredibly rewarding. Not only do you get the freshest ingredients for your culinary creations, but you also invite nature's aromatherapy into your daily life. The scent of herbs can have a powerful effect on our mood and well-being, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. So, are you ready to embark on this aromatic adventure? Let's get started by planting 3 versatile and fragrant herbs: basil, thyme, and lavender. With a little love and care, your garden will be bursting with flavor and fragrance in no time. Get ready to unleash your inner gardener and experience the joy of growing your own. Let's begin by introducing our star herbs basil, thyme, and lavender. Basil, with its sweet, slightly peppery flavor, is a must-have for any Italian dish. Thyme, known for its earthy and lemony notes, adds depth to soups, stews, and roasted meats. Lavender, with its calming floral aroma, is perfect for both culinary creations and homemade aromatherapy blends. Now let's get our hands dirty and plant these aromatic wonders. Choose a sunny spot in your garden or balcony that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Herbs thrive in well-drained soil, so amend your soil with compost if needed to improve drainage. You can start your herbs from seeds or seedlings. Seeds offer a more budget-friendly option, but seedlings give you a head start. Sow basil and thyme seeds directly into the soil after the last frost, while lavender seedlings prefer to be planted in spring or autumn. Space them adequately to allow for growth. Congratulations, your herb garden is officially underway. Now let's talk about keeping these fragrant friends happy and thriving. Watering is crucial, but be careful not to overwater. Water your herbs deeply when the soil feels dry to the touch, allowing excess water to drain away. Sunlight is another vital ingredient for healthy herb growth. Ensure your herbs receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. If you're growing them indoors, a south-facing window is ideal. Regular harvesting is not only a great way to enjoy fresh herbs but also encourages bushier growth. Pinch back the tips of your basil and thyme regularly to prevent them from becoming leggy. For lavender, harvest the flower stalks just as the buds begin to open for the most potent aroma. Section 4. Culinary delights and aromatic wonders. Get ready to elevate your cooking and create a relaxing atmosphere with your homegrown herbs. Basil is a staple in Italian cuisine, lending its fresh, peppery flavor to pasta sauces, pizzas, and salads. Add a handful of fresh basil leaves to your favorite tomato sauce for a burst of flavor, or muddle them with strawberries and balsamic vinegar for a refreshing summer salad. Thyme, with its earthy and lemony notes, pairs beautifully with roasted chicken, fish, and vegetables. Add a sprig or two to your next roast chicken recipe for an extra layer of flavor, or use it to infuse olive oil for dipping bread. Lavender's culinary uses extend beyond its beautiful aroma. Its floral notes add a unique touch to desserts like cakes, cookies, and ice cream. You can also use lavender to infuse honey or sugar for a touch of elegance. Beyond the kitchen, lavender's calming scent makes it a star ingredient in homemade aromatherapy blends. Create a soothing lavender bath soak by combining dried lavender flowers with Epsom salts, or add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser to promote relaxation. Section 5. Tips and tricks for herb gardening success. Here are a few handy tips to ensure your herb garden thrives. Start small. Begin with a few herbs you'll actually use and gradually expand your collection. Choose the right containers. If you're short on space, opt for pots or containers with good drainage. Fertilize regularly. Herbs benefit from regular feeding, especially during the growing season. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. Protect from pests. Keep an eye out for common garden pests and take appropriate measures to protect your herbs. Don't be afraid to prune. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and prevents your herbs from becoming leggy. Avoid these common herb gardening mistakes. Overwatering. One of the most common mistakes is overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Insufficient sunlight. Herbs need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily to thrive. Planting too close together. Give your herbs enough space to grow and avoid overcrowding, neglecting to harvest. Regular harvesting encourages new growth and prevents your herbs from bolting. With a little practice and these helpful tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a bountiful and fragrant herb garden. Remember, gardening is a journey of trial and error. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your experiences. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process.